All right, so we're about done with the GTR, probably for the night. Every single time I look at it, there's something else that I want to do or change. So we're pretty much done with the PPF. There is one more thing that we are going to be adding, a protection film. It is going to be the STEK windshield protection film, just to protect it from any rock chips and other road debris. So that way just about every single part of the vehicle will have some form of protection. There are a couple things that I want to vinyl wrap, such as the yellow or orange amber lights, the turn signals on the front of the fender. I also want to wrap that silver piece on the front bumper. There are a couple colors that I'm kind of going back and forth with. The first one's going to be the satin red chrome, or just a regular gloss black, or we also have a galaxy black, which is like a really sparkly black. I'll show you guys that in just a second. The stock spoiler also is not going to be going back on. I actually ordered an APR performance wing, one of the big 74-inch spoilers that's going to be going on it. That's going to get here in about 2 weeks or so. So I'm going to be finishing up everything else, and then I am going to be driving the vehicle without the spoiler or without the wing, just until that gets here. I also still have to wrap the roof, and then there are some little silver things on the front bumper by the fog light that I'm also going to be wrapping, probably in a black, whether it's the gloss black or the galaxy black, most likely the gloss black. But it's a never-ending cycle. There's always something else you can change or something else to add. Which, thinking of that, or speaking of, I still need to wrap the door handles in a gloss black. But we're making progress. That's all that really matters. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down and start on that windshield protection. That'll probably be the last thing for the night, possibly the amber lights, but that's about it. Also going to be getting back the emblems, as well as the side vents from paint tomorrow morning, so that's going to be going back on. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. So that was the windshield protection film that you just saw me install. Super easy to install. It has a very rubbery texture to it, very similar to Clear Bra. This is a new product that came and hit the market maybe about a couple months to a year ago. We just got our hands on it maybe about less than a month ago, but overall it's an amazing product. Super easy to install. Hopefully it'll protect the windshield from rock chips and other road debris. I did put it on my vehicle, so that way we can do a little bit more in-house testing, see how it holds up with windshield wipers in the rain and things of that sort. It is recommended to ceramic coat it, so we will probably be doing that when we ceramic coat the full vehicle. But that's about it. I'm gonna let the windshield dry up, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Next, we're gonna be wrapping the front valance, putting on the emblems and everything back on, and that'll probably be it for this video. We just got some parts back from paint. These are the little hood side vents on the side. We got the Nissan emblem, as well as the GTR emblems and the side GTR emblems. One really cool thing about these is they do have a little bit of a smoked out look to them. So it's not just that bright red, it kind of has like a little bit of a smoked out look, so it looks really nice. I think it'll look really well with the rest of the gloss black accents. And then we also have these two pieces as well. These go on the roof, so those will go really nice with the gloss black PPF that we're going to be installing. I'm probably going to go ahead and put these on today. I won't put these parts back on until we get the roof done, just so I don't have to keep taking them on and off. Everything looks really good. Shout out to Cisco at Cisco's All-in-One Auto for getting these painted for us. Did a really good job. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. Another thing is the GTR emblem. I don't know if I want to center these on the trunk or put it back in its original spot, kind of on the front bumper, or on the rear bumper, I'm sorry. And probably put them off-centered on the right side on the rear bumper, but that's just my personal preference. But enough talking, let's go ahead and put these back on. Alright, so we got the emblems back on, but before I show you guys that, I'm going to show you guys one thing that we just finished up, which is this section right here. We ended up wrapping that in a Galaxy Black. As you can see, it has those really nice metallic sparkles in it. So I did a little pull between the satin red, the gloss black, and then the Galaxy Black. And a lot of the guys and the girls at the shop like the Galaxy Black, so I said I'll give it a try. We got that piece done right there. We got the little piece around the fog light on this side and on that side. But got the emblems back on. I think it really changes up the whole entire look of the fender with that black. It just flows so much better than the silver. Still got to do the roof, still waiting on the PPF. Also got the door handle piece wrapped in that Galaxy Black as well. If you can kind of see those sparkles in there. Come around to the back, still have to put on the GTR emblem right there. Still need to wrap that silver piece by the diffuser. And then I'm actually going to be wrapping this section right here, following that body line, most likely in that Galaxy Black, just to kind of go with everything else. But it's just all going to come shortly. I am putting in most of this work after hours. Since it is my personal vehicle, I have to do it after customer cars. So it'll all hopefully come together nicely. The spoiler has been ordered. We're gonna go with an APR Performance 74-inch spoiler. So I didn't put the stock one back on. I still haven't cut the clear brow holes in here just to protect it from any, like if it rains or any water or anything like that. But yeah, coming along so far so well. Got a couple pieces, but we'll keep you guys updated as we go along.